Hello, it's the Black Plague here today, and it's raining. It is like morning, and wow, this is already wet. That's not what she said. But anyways, yeah, rain. I don't know if you can see the rain. Let's zoom in. But yeah, as you can see, it's wet everywhere. Oh no, you see my feet? Gotta show my face. Gotta show my face. I'm just kidding. I won't do that for a long time. I'll maybe do it at 500 subscribers, about maybe then. But since I don't have that many, I'm just gonna do this for now. And for those who already know me, well, you know what my face looks like, but just don't spoil it. I swear. I'll beat you up. I'm just kidding. But no. Yeah, it's a rainy day. That's our car. It's a shit car. Speedometer doesn't even work anymore. Such a beautiful day. The sun is shining. The birds are chirping. No. Oh shit, what the fuck? There's no way that my mic will not pick that up. Holy shit. Damn. If that was loud for you guys, you have no idea how loud it was for me. That had to be like, not even, at least within 200 feet. Cause, wow. Holy damn. He's getting wet. Oh gosh, I'm sorry people. How's it getting wet? I'm like under this. I guess it's soaking through. But dang, came from that direction. Yeah. Well, I think I know the title for this upload. Well, this is the Black Plague, and I'll see you in the next video. Yes, I'm gonna upload another video that I've already pre-recorded. So I hope you enjoy this one. There's not much to enjoy, but I should find a lighting thumbnail or something. I'll see you guys later.